Anyways, Alicia Keys, If I Ain't Got You, piano tutorial. Super easy. 4, 5 chords she uses. Here's the chords real quick before I break down the song. Okay, so she goes G major 7, E minor 7, A minor 7, and then a D. Okay, for the intro and the chorus, she does a C major 7 to start. Okay, and then she just walks down B minor 7. Okay, A minor 7 to the G major 7. Okay, that's all she does throughout the whole song. So intro is real easy. So this is C major 7. Okay, G, B, E in your right hand, and you're just gonna roll. Okay, you're gonna land on this 6 times, the E 6 times, so it's just 6 times around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're gonna go to that B minor 7 chord with a F sharp, A, and D in your right hand and roll 6 times. And then you're gonna move to that A minor 7 chord with a E, G, C in your right hand. Okay? And what are you gonna do? 6 times. I don't know, I lost count. Then you're gonna end on that. Oh, sorry. You're gonna end on that G major 7. Okay? So all together it's okay? And then we're gonna start like this. She does this little bounce. So all that is an A flat major 7. Okay? A flat major 7. Jack these chords. Just look at the chords. Okay? You can play it like this or you just play one. Okay? Whatever. I play it like this. Just take the key is to take these chords and just play it how you play it. Like use the chords how you use them. So she does. So that G major 7 we just learned. Okay? Okay, that's the verse. Okay? Just play that back and forth. Then it goes to that pre chorus. Right? Goes to that. So that's easy. It's the same chords that we just learned. So all it is some people see G minor major 7. People think A minor 7 that the fifth of B minor 7. Then go back. All things A minor 7 D fine. Then do it again. What then go to that C. Boom, dum, dum. Right? All she's doing is she's just walking it down. C, B minor 7, A minor 7, G major 7. Okay? Same chords you learned. So again, let me start over. So, life's a bore so full of the superficial. Right? So that's all she's doing. Now you can have a little bounce, a little swag to it, right? So you can go. Okay, you could do that. Okay, then she repeats it again. So it goes for that lights up all so full of superficial. Right then, I play octaves for this part. Some people, okay, G octaves, A octaves, B octaves, and go back to the chords for the intro. It's the same thing. Some people, and then play C major 7, want it all, but I don't. B minor 7, nothing at all. If it ain't A minor 7, if I ain't got G major 7, then octaves again, like we learned. Repeat. Right? I do that. I just bounce on that. Then go back to the same verse 1. Okay? And that's the song, right? And when you're playing the chorus too, you could when you're playing the chorus, right? You could do that in the chorus too, like she does in the intro. She does that a little bit. Right? So all you need to really get down are these chords. G major 7 to E minor 7 to A minor 7, and then to the D, to the D. How I play it in my right hand, I keep my groupings close because it's easy just to go from this. It's easy to go from this, and just all you got to do to get to this E minor 7, all you have to do from this point is just take this F sharp and drop it up or move it up to the G. That's it. And now you're playing a E in your left hand. Okay. So the other key is that when you play a G major 7, all you're doing is playing a B minor in your right hand with it over a G. That's all a G major 7 is. And then this right here, just drop this F sharp down to play that E minor 7, right? And then you're going to A minor 7. All you're doing is playing a C chord in your right hand over an A, and that's A minor 7. Like, it's really simple. And then she just plays a straight D right there. And all I'm doing right here is just rolling my fingers. I'm just rolling, or that's it, to get the swag behind it. Okay, so you get the point. Jack those chords, take them, use them, sub. Let's go.